In an old castle, you will notice that this is a duet. This is the secondo part, which would be played by the teacher down this octave, and the student's part is going to be on the right hand side, going to be played up an octave. But for the sake of the video, we're going to start in the middle position, the way it's written, and we're going to learn the student's part first. Put your thumb right hand on A, your left hand 5 on A, and let's hear what this old castle sounds like. Because both hands are playing the exact same notes, I will only be playing them together. I'll play them slow enough so you can follow. So we start here on A, and left hand will copy exactly what right hand is doing. Let's start very slow.